In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Popup Klaviyo. To begin, log in to your Klaviyo account and look to the left-hand navigation menu. Click Website and then choose Sign Up Forms. This is the area where you create and manage the forms that appear on your site, including pop-ups. Once you are on the Sign Up Forms page, go to the top right corner and click Create Form. This starts the setup process and opens the template library, where Klaviyo gives you pre-built designs to save time. Next, select a template from the library. Choose one that fits your goal, such as a template designed to collect emails. Templates are helpful because they come with common elements already in place, like a headline, an email field, and a submit button, and you can customize everything later. After you pick a template, you will configure the basics. First, name your form. This name is for internal organization, so use something clear that you will recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple pop-ups for different campaigns. Then choose the list where new subscribers will be added. This is important because it determines where the contacts go in Klaviyo, such as a main newsletter list or another list you use for marketing. When those details are set, click Create Form to enter the editor. Inside the editor, focus on design and targeting. Start by using styles to match your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and other visual settings so the pop-up feels consistent with your website. Clean design and readable text help the form look trustworthy and improve signups. Then click Targeting and Behaviors. This is where you choose when the pop-up appears. For example, you can set it to show on exit intent, or after a visitor has been on the page for a certain amount of time, like 5 seconds. These settings help you control the experience so the pop-up shows at the right moment. When everything looks correct, review your work one last time. Then click Publish in the top right corner to make the form live on your site. That covers everything you need to know.